friends, my name is Rahul. I am from Pune, but I live in Dubai for my work. Losing my hair in such a young age was very disappointing, rather very embarrassing. I checked with few clinics in Dubai and also did some treatment, but it was never successful. Then I approached La Density in Pune with solid references from my friends, and I visited their clinic last year. Dr. Gajanan Jadhav gave me a clear picture about the requirement, and they used the optimum grafts. Surgery was very successful and it started giving results immediately. Their staff was very friendly and quite supportive. They are always in touch with me. Even since last year, they kept on checking on me and provided me the required medicines in Dubai. And here I am after almost a year, very happy with my end results. You can see how successful it has been. And now I feel much more confident in my professional as well as personal lives. I thank so much La Density team for their support and this end result. Thank you so much.